Hello friends. Today we discuss about debentures from company law. The question at hand is define debenture, state the position of law regarding the conversion of debentures into shares. Before discussing that conversion process, let us see what is a debenture is. A debenture is a type of debt instrument. Suppose a company wants to raise funds from public. The company can raise funds from public via two ways. There are many ways. Let's talk about two ways. One is shares. Shares is a legal instrument. People, I mean, mm, citizens can purchase shares. At that time, in when they purchase shares, the ownership will be divided. But in term, when it comes to debenture, the debenture holder will pay some amount, will invest some amount in the company, but in the return, he will get some interest, fixed interest, and maturity, he will get some maturity amount. So, if any company wants to raise funds from public, same time, company doesn't want to divide its ownership, then debentures are the best way to raise funds. The debenture is a certificate of loan or bond, evidencing that the company is liable to pay a specified amount with interest. Yeah, according to Companies Act 2013, Section 2, subsection 30, conversion of debentures into shares is possible. So the holder of debenture is given the opportunity to convert their debt into equity shares of the company. If debenture holder wants to convert his debt into equity shares of the company, yes, it is possible. Let's see the key provisions of this particular process. There are four things we need to consider for converting debentures into shares. The first one is Section 71 of the Companies Act. This section deals with issue of debentures with an option convert to convert debentures into shares. If that is available and the option is given to the debenture holder, then he can convert the debentures into shares. And the second thing is this is for company. Debenture redemption reserve, it's a fund. Companies has to create DRR out of the profits of the company available for payment of dividend. So this is very important aspect and this is has to be taken care by the company. And third one is conversion terms. So the terms in the company and debenture holder agreement must be very clear and it should have details like terms, ratio, price, timing, all these things. So finally, regulatory approvals. Conversion of debentures into shares may require approvals because we are talking about companies or listed companies. Most of the time, we all have listed companies, right? So obviously, approval from SEBI is mandatory to do this conversion from debentures into shares. Yeah, thank you. Please subscribe Nyaya Vidya.